Students, today we are going to read about the chemical changes. So first let's see some few examples. Rusting of iron, burning of wood or paper, our digestive system, digestion process and cooking, these all are example of chemical changes. So what happen in these chemical changes? In chemical changes, chemical reaction take place and these chemical reactions are represented by the chemical equations. Yes, in chemical changes, chemical reaction take place and it is represented by chemical equations. So we will read about chemical equation basically in this chapter. So let's see. The original substance is called reactant. In case of milk to curd, milk is the reactant and the new substance is called product. Yes, same example. The curd from milk, curd is the product part. So let's see your book view. So it is written, so in chemical reactions, one substance change into another. The original substance like milk or wood is called reactants and the final substance is called products. So reactant to product, in between there is an arrow. So see the example of a chemical reaction. Sodium hydroxide, Na sodium and OH is hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. These both are the reactant. What is made? Sodium chloride and water. Sodium chloride and water. So now let's see next. Next, what are the evidences? सबूत क्या है chemical changes दे? These are the most important part. So you have to learn this. First is gas, release of gas. कोई ना कोई gas release होती है. Second is precipitation formation. Precipitate are the insoluble solid particles. Third is release or the gas is needed. In these reactions, some reactions heat is needed and in some reaction heat is released. And fourth is change in color and state. These are four very important and you have to learn this. Gas release, precipitation formation, release of heat or needed, and fourth is change in state or color. So let's see the reaction. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 plus dilute hydrochloric acid. Sodium chloride is formed along with water and carbon dioxide gas is released. Yes, chloride, water and carbon dioxide is formed. See the arrow upside. So it means release of carbon dioxide gas is released. So see the second example. In the second box, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. This is also called lime water. Carbon dioxide plus, these are the reactant. What is made? Calcium carbonate. A very important point, which is milky white. Plus water. So students, you have to learn calcium carbonate's formula is CaCO3. These are the product. These are the reaction. Slowly when you will read this is a reaction of evaluation of gas, the first evidence of this, and these are very important and very easy also. Then we are going to learn about the precipitation formation. So what is precipitation? Are the insoluble particle. So when precipitate form, when two different solution, when we mix them, precipitate form. In the example, see silver nitrate, Ag is silver, NO3 is nitrate. When silver nitrate is added to calcium chloride, silver chloride, see the downward arrow. This arrow is the precipitate and it settled down at the bottom. So in this reaction, precipitates are formed. So in the next reaction, we will see evaluation or absorption of energy. Energy is heat. Evolution means release. In some reaction, energy is needed, heat is needed, and in some reaction, heat is released. So the reaction in which heat is released is called exothermic. Exo means out and thermic means heat. So see the reaction, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Sodium chloride, water and heat. Plus heat means heat is released. And what is its opposite? Endothermic. In endothermic, heat is needed. See the reaction. The blue arrow, calcium carbonate, when we heat this, means when we provide heat, it breaks down into two substances, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is very important. Exothermic means heat is released.